Happy day, I am Dr. Abirami, Assistant Professor in the Postgraduate Department of Commerce. Today we are exploring how the Kaizen Costing play a vital role in the modern cost and management accounting. Kaizen Costing is a Japanese term, changes are better or continuous improvement. It is not just a technique, it is merely a mindset focusing on small and incremental improvement to reduce cost and to improve the quality. Kaizen Costing is a management approach aimed at the continuous cost reduction in the production process. Unlike actual costing system focus on the cost control in the product design, Kaizen costing applied in the manufacturing stage itself. So, the ultimate aim is to achieve the cost reduction through the small and incremental improvement without compromising the quality. Next, we will be moving on to the objective of the Kaizen costing. It is simple yet it is powerful. First objective is time, that is prioritizing the customer's task and avoiding the non-value added activity. The second objective is over processing, is to identify the waste that excising the time on less value added task. The third objective is defect, that is it not only incur cost but it also wastes the material and time and also harms the reputation among the customer if it is reach the ultimate end. The next objective is movement. It is aimed to reduce the aimless movement to reduce the workplace wastage. The last objective is variation. The management driven repetition will cause unnecessary waste. To reduce that, standardized streamlined template has to be adopted. Next, we have been moving on to the features of Kaizen costing. So, the first feature is the reduction of waste. So, we have to reduce the waste from the product design to the after sale service of the product, and the next feature is said to be the better employee satisfaction, since the employee play a crucial role in identifying and reducing the less value added task. And the next feature is said to be the work commitment, where the employees are aware of the moral of the organization about this continuous improvement will give their full commitment towards their work. The last feature is said to be the competitive edge, where the products are produced at less cost and improved quality to increase their market share as well as their long term profit. Next, we have been discussing about the types of Kaizen costing. There are two types of Kaizen costing. One, product force, second, asset centric. The product focused is that they have been focusing on the specific product to identify the inefficiency and waste that has been incurred during that particular production process. Second, it is said to be the asset centric, the equipment and the asset that has been incurring higher cost and used inefficiently has been identified with the help of this type of costing. Next, we have been moving on to the principles of Kaizen costing, which is said to be the 5S. So, the first S said to be the sort, to eliminate the waste related in the all form of material, time and effort, and the second S said to be the set in order. We have to set the equipments in such a order to reduce the time loss, and the next one is to be sign, that is it had to be maintain the equipment in a proper way and also the quality issues to avoid the rework loss. And the next is to be standardize the improvement in such a form to have a uniformity all over the process. The last S is said to be the sustain, to focus on a open communication and teamwork, ensuring the continuous adherence to this efficient method. Next, we have been moving on to the process of Kaizen costing, which involve various steps. The first step is to find out the area of the improvement. The second step to analyze the prevailing cost structure and performance, and the third step is to develop small and cost reduction strategies, and the fourth step is to implement that improvement and monitor the result, and the last step is to standardize the improvement and moving on to the next new opportunity. So, these are the process of Kaizen costing. Let us look into the real time example of use of Kaizen costing used by the Tata Motors to improve their overall efficiency as well as their cost reduction. So, by using the Kaizen cost method, Tata Motors reduce their cost by 20% and increase their efficiency by 30%, which is ultimately done by the employee who continuously give their feedback in their mechanism. So, these are the other countries which has adopted their Kaizen costing in their manufacturing process. I hope the session help you to find out how the role of Kaizen costing play a vital role in the cost and management accounting. This session find useful to you. For more such video, like, share and subscribe M.O.P Classroom.